The tropical rainforest is teeming with energy. With a high net radiant energy, this means that it receives an abundance of sunlight, which is vital for the survival of its diverse plant and animal species. The dense canopy captures the sunlight, allowing the plants to undergo photosynthesis and convert it into chemical energy. This energy fuels the entire rainforest ecosystem. The climate factors of tropical rainforests are vital in shaping these remarkable ecosystems. Let's explore them one by one. Temperature. Tropical rainforests enjoy high and consistent temperatures throughout the year, ranging from 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. The warmth provides an ideal environment for the diverse array of plants and animals that call the rainforest their home. Moisture. Moisture is a defining characteristic of tropical rainforests. These regions receive a significant amount of rainfall, typically between 1,800 to 3,000 millimeters. The consistent rainfall and high humidity create a lush and vibrant environment, supporting the growth of towering trees, diverse vegetation, and providing habitat for countless species. Tropical rainforests are located near the equator, allowing for an abundance of sunlight. However, the dense canopy limits the direct sunlight reaching the forest floor, resulting in distinct light levels in different layers of the rainforest. This unique light distribution influences the types of plants and animals found in specific regions within the rainforest. Wind. Well, tropical rainforests generally experience calm wind conditions due to the dense vegetation acting as a windbreak. Localized gusts and breezes can occur, particularly during storm events. The wind patterns in rainforests can impact seed dispersal and the movement of organisms. The topography of tropical rainforests is incredibly diverse. While they can be found on flat terrain, they also thrive on slopes and mountainsides. The presence of mountains contributes to the formation of cloud forests, where the higher altitude and cooler temperatures create a unique environment with a constant mist or fog. Additionally, large bodies of water, such as rivers and lakes, provide vital water sources and further enhance the biodiversity within these rainforest ecosystems. Climate change poses significant challenges to tropical rainforests. Rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Increased droughts and extreme weather events such as hurricanes can cause damage to the forest structure and lead to species loss. Additionally, changes in temperature and rainfall can impact plant and animal phenology, disrupting critical life cycle events such as flowering and even migration. Let's now meet 3 major species that call the tropical rainforests their home, along with their remarkable adaptations that help them thrive in this unique environment. The jaguar. The jaguar, a powerful and elusive predator, has adapted to the dense rainforest by developing a muscular body, sharp rectangular claws, and a keen sense of hearing. Their ability to climb trees and swim proficiently allows them to hunt a variety of prey, making them the top predator in their habitat. The toucan. Known for their vibrant and striking beaks, toucans have a specialized adaptation that enables them to feed on a diverse diet of fruits. Their beaks are lightweight yet sturdy, allowing them to reach and grasp fruits in the forest canopy. They also have large bill surface area that aids in regulating body temperature, as the beak acts as a heat sink. Leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants have a fascinating symbiotic relationship with fungi. They cut leaves and transport them back to their underground colonies, where they cultivate the leaves as a substrate for growth of specialized fungi. The ants feed on the fungus, which breaks down the leaf material and provides them with nutrition. This complex mutualistic adaptation allows the ants to utilize plant material as a food source. Now it's time for our fun fact. Did you know that tropical rainforests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth? These lush forests produce a significant amount of oxygen, and they play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. That's a pretty fun fact. As we conclude our amazing journey through tropical rainforests, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for their beauty, complexity, and importance. These ecosystems are truly remarkable, harboring immense biodiversity and providing invaluable ecosystem services. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of our planet's diverse biomes. Thank you for joining us. I've been your host, Seth Cook. Goodbye, everyone.